Adding new expense record from Webpage. Let's start with the simplest type of entry. First, enter the amount, then ensure that the expense date is set correctly. For the quickest input, only these two fields are required. All other fields are optional and you can always add them later in Google Sheets. However, you may typically want to add a note to help you remember the purpose of this record. Then click Submit. By default, you will see recently submitted records in the Recent section. You can also attach a file to your expense record. For instance, upload a photo from your phone gallery or capture one with your phone camera. The file will be saved directly to your Google Drive and you can review it later in the attachment column of your Google Sheets. Sometimes, payment date differs from expense date, especially with credit card purchase. In such case, you can optionally set the payment date. This helps you track cash flow and manage balances effectively. For installments or recurring payments, simply set the payment model, for example, 10 monthly payments. The template dynamically expands the schedule, saving you from having to repeat the process. The amount field includes built-in calculation buttons for quick calculations. The result will appear in the result label and will be passed to Google Sheets when you submit. You can launch QuickExpense Google Sheets by clicking at the green Google Sheets icon. For a seamless experience, install the Google Sheets app on your mobile as well.